Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Epson L3251 printer driver in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to, of course, go here on our desktop. So just go here on the search bar and then just open your browser. Once you do that, in this part, we are going to type Epson L3251 driver download and then click on enter. And then what we're going to do right here is to just scroll down and then look for this link right here, which is Epson India. So we're going to click on that. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do right here is to scroll down and then click the download section. After that, you will see this operating system. So to know what your operating system is, all you have to do is to go into the search bar and then search for system information. Once you do that, just click on open. And then in this part, just look for your system type. So as you can see, I'm currently using 64-bit PC. And then for the OS name, you see that I'm using Windows 11. So what we're going to do right here is to just go back into this part. And then for the operating system, just look for your operating system right here. So currently there aren't any Windows 11. So I'm just going to use Windows 10 instead. And I'm going to click on 64-bit. After that, just click on the drivers right here, and then you will see these two drivers. So what we're going to do is to download them, and then also this one. So once you're now here, just click on I agree to the software license agreement, and then click on download. After that, let's wait for this to finish once again. And then once it is done, what we're going to do right here is to just click on the folder icon in this part, and then we're going to look for the files that we have just installed. So we're going to choose two of them, and then we're going to put them into our desktop. So just put desktop right there. And then if you go into this part, you will see it right here. And then once you're now here, we're going to click on this. So just double click on that. And then after that, we're going to wait for this to finish. And then in this part, you will see this set as default printer and then automatically update software. So if you want to make it that, just put a check mark beside it, but I will just leave it as it is. And then I'm going to click on OK. After that, we're going to click on OK, and then click on agree, and then click OK. After that, let's wait for this to finish. After that, once it is done, you will see this detect the printer or automatically configure the port. So all you have to do is to just choose which one you're right here. So just choose which one you prefer right here. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and then I'm going to click on OK. And then for this one, we're going to wait for this to finish. And then after that, what we're going to do is to just click on manual. And then in this part, on the current port, as you can see, I don't have any ports, but we're going to look for available ports right here. So all you have to do is to look for a USB port. So currently I don't have that, but if you have that, make sure that you choose USB port right there. For this example, I'm just going to choose this null right here, and then I'm going to click on OK. After that, what we're going to do next is to go here on the Epson scan, and then we're going to double click on that also. And then we're going to click on next, and then click I accept, and then click next again, and then let's wait for this to finish. After that, we're going to click on OK, and then click on finish once again. And then if we go here on our printers and scanners, so just search for printers, and then just click on open, you will now be able to see Epson L3250 series. So that is basically it, and that is how easy it is.